An accused wanted by Punjab police, namely Kashmir Singh, has escaped from Dabolim airport while he was trying to board a flight to Dubai. Accused Kashmir Singh is involved in a case for receiving stolen property and under Arms Act by Punjab police. Kashmir Singh was evading arrest. That's why Punjab police had issued lookout notice which was circulated to all the airports in the country. On Saturday morning, he was attempting to board a flight to Dubai, but Dabolim airport officials got information and they intimated the Dabolim police station. But before he could be arrested, he escaped from the airport. In view of that, Dabolim airport police has issued another lookout notice against Kashmir Singh. According to police sources, Kashmir Singh had come to Goa by train. Goa police has confirmed to Prudent that he was wanted in only one case and he has no other links or any connection with any group or in any case. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.